In this video, I will show how to insert table in PowerPoint. So click on insert, then here you will see the option table. Select as many as you need. And once you double click, you can change size, color and style. Here are some more options. Like this. So thanks for watching.